Welcome to the D.TO tutorial series. In this episode we will address some issues related to family duplication and learn how you could address them. Often, when using the BIM library, you may end up with duplicated families in your project. For example, here I'm importing the bent plate family into the project. After placing the component in the detail view, I then import the entire view and paste it into my Revit view. At this point, you'll notice the bent plate family has been duplicated with an A1 suffix. To fix this, go to the Families section in the project browser and locate the duplicate. Select all instances of the duplicate in the project, and replace them with the original family. Keep in mind that replacing the family with the original will reset any custom parameter changes you've made back to the default values set in the family. To avoid these errors in the future, first import the entire detail into your Revit project and then use the BIM library to place or replace components within the detail. This will help ensure your project remains duplication-free. In this example, I've copied the detail and pasted it into my project, then used the BIM library to import the thermal spacer. As you can see, the family duplication does not occur. All these small steps help ensure you maintain a clean BIM model while giving you maximum flexibility with the platform. Now let's address some family duplication errors that occur in a collaborative project. In a Revit Workshare project, there may be instances where two or more users may simultaneously download diagrams containing identical components or place the same family using the BIM library. Here, both User 1 and User 2 have downloaded the detail and pasted it into their Revit projects. They have also placed the same components from the BIM library into their details. Here, one of these users will receive a renaming warning the next time they sync to the central model. Here, the first user proceeded without any warnings. For the second user, however, we can see that the family names have numerical suffixes like 1, 2, or 3. This indicates that the families have been duplicated and renamed by Revit to avoid naming conflicts. There are several ways to prevent this from happening and save a lot of time troubleshooting. To prevent this, it's best practice for you and your teammates to sync right after downloading the diagram. Alternatively, you can also assign one user to download all the design sessions prior to the team using the BIM library. To avoid issues when using the BIM library, load the component but refrain from using it in the project. Instead, press Escape to cancel. The component remains loaded in the project. And if you sync immediately, you and your team can place the same component without receiving any warnings. If you have any additional issues with BIM integration in Revit, be sure to contact us so we can help you resolve them as quickly as possible. In the next videos, we'll explore company detail libraries and take a deep dive into that aspect of the platform. Make sure to follow the tutorial series, and thanks for watching.